Hi all, I welcome you to this channel, and if you are the first time here, subscribe to the channel by clicking the subscribe button to see the latest technology videos. In this video, we are discussing about method overriding in Java. So, if subclass, that is child class, has the same method as declared in parent class, it is known as method overriding in Java. In other words, if a subclass provides the specific implementation of the method that has been declared by one of its parent class, it is known as method overriding. So, method overriding is used to provide the specific implementation of a method which is already provided by its superclass. And method overriding is used for a runtime polymorphism. So, rules for Java method overriding. The method must have the same name as in the parent class, and the method must have the same parameter as in the parent class, and there must be a is-a relationship inheritance. So, rules for Java method overriding. First, method must have same name as in the parent class. Second, method must have same parameter as in the parent class. And 3 is there must be a relationship inheritance. So, understanding the problem with method overriding. So, let us understand the problem that we may face in the program if we don't use method overriding. So, Java program to demonstrate why we need method overriding. Here we are calling the method of parent class with a child, class object, creating a parent class, class vehicle, void run, system.out.println, vehicle is running. Then creating a child class, class bike extends vehicle, public static void main string args, bike obj equal to new bike, creating an instance of child class. Then calling the method with child class inheritance, obj.run. So, the output will be vehicle is running. So, problem is that I have to provide a specific implementation of a run method in subclass, and that is why we use method overriding. So, example of method overriding. So, in this example, we have defined the run method in the subclass as defined in the parent class, but it has some specific implementation. So, the name and parameter of the method are the same, and there is a relationship between the classes. So, there is method overriding. So, Java program to illustrate the use of method overriding. Creating a parent class, class vehicle, defining a method, void run, system.out.println, vehicle is running. Then creating a child class, class bike2 extends vehicle, defining the same method as in the parent class, void run, system.out.println, bike is running safely. Then public static void main string args, bike2 obj equal to new bike2, creating object. Then obj.run, calling the method, and the output is bike is running safely. So a real example of Java method overriding. So consider a scenario where bank is a class that provides functionality to get the rate of interest. However, the rate of interest varies according to banks. For example, SBI, ICICI and Axis banks could provide 8%, 7% and 9% of rate of interest. Bank get rate of interest float and extends get rate of interest float. So Java method overriding is mostly used in runtime polymorphism, which we will learn in the next tutorial. So Java program to demonstrate the real scenario of Java method overriding, where three classes are overriding the method of a parent class. So creating a parent class, class bank, int get rate of interest, return. Then creating child classes, class SBI extends bank, int get rate of interest, return 8. Class ICICI extends bank, int get rate of interest, return 7. Class Axis extends bank, int get rate of interest, return 9. So test class to create objects and call the methods. Class test2, public static void main string args, SBI s equal to new SBI, ICICI I equal to new ICICI, Axis A equal to new Axis. Then system.out.println SBI rate of interest plus s dot get rate of interest. System.out.println ICICI rate of interest plus I dot get rate of interest. System.out.println Axis rate of interest plus A dot get rate of interest. So the output is SBI rate of interest 8, ICICI rate of interest 7, Axis rate of interest 9. So can we override a static method? No. So a static method cannot be overridden. It can be provided by runtime polymorphism. So why can we not override a static method? It is because the static method is bound with the class, where instance method is bound with an object, and static belongs to the class area and an instance belongs to the heap area. So can we override Java main method? No, because the main is a static method. So this was a brief discussion on Java, and we will be discussing more on Java in the upcoming videos. And if you are the first time here, subscribe to the channel by clicking the subscribe button to see the latest technology videos. Thank you for watching this video. Bye for now.